Hello and welcome back to my channel for another short listen for English language learners. Today I'm going to give you a variety of examples using the word worth and also worth it, which can be used to talk about value, to give recommendations, and to persuade or dissuade. And before we get into the lesson, as always, a big thank you to my supporters on Patreon. Your help is very much appreciated and it does allow this channel to continue to grow. And many thanks to all my subscribers and people who have liked my videos so far. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Give the video a like if you think it's been useful, as your like will be very useful to me. Now, let's get started. So, worth and worth it. Worth is often related to value and it is similar to price. But as we all know, prices do not always represent the true value of the object. This is where we can use worth. For example, he paid $3,000 for that old car, but it was only worth $2,000. So $2,000 was the true or more realistic value. He was desperate for money and sold his collection of comic books for 100 euros, but the collection was worth a lot more. Okay, but worth doesn't always mean financial value. It can mean something beneficial or good to do. For example, that museum is worth a visit. It has some very interesting exhibits. Here we have worth a visit. It took a long time for the movie to be made, but it was worth the wait. We also have the expression, it's worth the risk. Now here, an action could be potentially risky, but if everything goes well, the value would be good. We also use worth with a gerund when it is related to an action. The movie is worth seeing. It is worth waiting for. Worth can be used to encourage or motivate people to do something or to discourage. For example, it's not worth the money, or it's not worth the effort, it's not worth the risk, and it's not worth watching. We also have the idiomatic expression, if a job's worth doing, it's worth doing well, which means if a job has value or purpose, then it makes sense to do it the best you can. So, I hope this lesson helps you to unlock the use of the word worth. If you found it useful, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Also, for my Patreon supporters, there is a special worksheet on this subject with more practice activities and information. And for information on the benefits of becoming a Patreon supporter for my channel, please follow the link in the description. In fact, while you're there, check out all of the links in the description, as I'm sure you'll find something that is going to be useful to you. And for now, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching and go practice some English. Take care. I'll see you soon.